What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about a Ledger Nano S scam which you shouldn't buy at eBay or any other outlet that is not official, a reseller from Ledger. So how do people scam using the Ledger Nano S? As you can see on Reddit, this person has been scammed, and after that about 25,000 euro money was stolen from his wallet, as it is somehow his life saving. And of course, losing a 25,000 euro, you're gonna feel physically sick. And after that, this is a Reddit post of those picture and the link here. I'm gonna post the link down below later. So as you can see, Ledger have posted a blog from the 12th of January. I know this is kind of late that I make this video, but I have saw this article, and after that this has came across, and after that I have to warn everybody about it. And I love bringing information to people. And after that, losing even though Ledger Nano is the most secure way to store your bitcoins and your cryptocurrency, but normally people that is selling it, the reseller or on eBay secondhand, they will do something, because scammers are really just hungry for money, and after that they will do anything to get your money on their hands. And after that, you just head over to this blog. I'm going to post it here and you can read it. Like normally, as you can see, he or she, they will explain how does the scam procedure work. And of course, as you can see the picture here, this is the picture. Like if you see this image, you should immediately transfer all your Ledger money out of it, as this is not an official slip. As you can see the recovery sheet, please scratch off, and after that this, you will see something like this. This is the full picture. As you can see, the hardware all look very nice, has not been opened at all, but this slip here is fake. As you can see, they're gonna start talking about it. And after that, just go down. When you see this scratch off sheet, the 24 seed code, it is fake. So never, if you bought a Ledger and you saw this thing inside, like a scratch sheet or whatsoever, do not just straight away refund it and after that transfer all your money out. So as you can see, they are going to teach you how to do it and everything. And after that, there is no default pin, because when you purchase a Ledger Nano, they will ask you will do a first time setup, as the code and everything. They will ask you if you want to choose randomize, like maybe 12 to 24 letters. It will be going to be 24 letters word. If not, you can type in yourself. And after that, the pin number is, they will ask you to just set it. So as you can see, this is already instructed from the hacker, I mean the scammer, and the default pin is 555. And after that, technically this number, this 24 phase code inside, it is being set by them. So if you, cause they have already accessed this wallet, and after that, once you get this wallet, they can just save the Bitcoin or Ethereum address. Just look it up at blockchain.info. If not, just at Etherscan, they could just simply see the funds coming in. And after that, eventually they think that this wallet, that example you bought it, has already like 20k value, so they can just immediately use the 24 default word here, and after that recover it into one Ledger Nano S, and from there they can send the funds out to their own wallet or whatsoever. That's why this is a note to everybody: do not head over to eBay and buy like the Ledger Nano S down here. It is very, I would say, very risky. As you can see, the price is very cheap, and some is just selling at high price and brand new and whatsoever. Yes, some people are being official reseller, not say official, they want to sell the Ledger Nano S to make some money. But please check with Ledger Nano S down here, the official website. You can check, let me see, where is it. As you can see here, there's something called retailer. You just click on here and they will pop up all of the official retailer store down here. As you can see, Amazon USA, and many more. There's many more country down here. As you can see, like for me in Singapore, I can just search for Singapore, and you can just look up everything here, the official reseller, and you should only buy from them, if not official website of Ledger Nano. If not, never or ever go into eBay, or let's say eBay and those other websites that's basically all in one platform that people do reselling, and after the second-hand goods, do not ever buy it from there. So as you can see, this is a Reddit post. I'm going to link it down below, and link it down here. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification, as I'm going to update you guys into the latest update and many more other things. Peace.